6 divided by 3 over 5 times 10. 5 into here 1, 5 into here 2. We are left with 6 divided by 3 times 2. 6 divided by 3 will give us 2. Then we have 2 times 2. 2 times 2 will give us 4. 4 is the wrong answer to this question because according to the order of operation, division and multiplication have equal priorities. So we have to work from our left to right, which is we have to solve our division first before solving our multiplication. Let us solve the right answer to this question. We are going to solve 6 divided by 3 over 5 using KCF. K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We are going to keep 6, change division to multiplication, then flip 3 over 5 to 5 over 3. Then bring down our 10 here. 3 into here 1, 3 into here 2. We are left with 2 times 5 times 10. 2 times 5 will give us 10. Then 10 times 10 will give us 100. 100 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.